What is the quiche? By the French description, it's a tart of consisting of pastry, crust, filled with savory pieces of cheese and meat and seafood and vegetable, or any combination of such. We have our crust, which I bought, and it came with 2 in a pack, or you could have gotten individual quiche pastry where it comes 40 in a pack, and you could do individual ones for everyone. So this one here, I put some holes at the bottom, put it in the oven for 8 minutes. A half cup. Remember, a shredder is just like a knife, so be very careful when using it, because it's still a knife and it will cut you. All right? I know everybody loves cheese, so if you feel like you want a little bit more in there, hey, go right ahead. All right? So we need 4 eggs. Usually the kids would love doing this. So if you want them to make a nice mess, have them break some eggs open for you. All right, so there's your eggs, and whisk your eggs. Whisk them, add air, make them nice and fluffy. All right. Eggs are whisked. Now we're gonna start adding some of our seasoning and other ingredients into our eggs. So I'm gonna start with milk. We need a half cup of milk. So I have my half cup here. Add your milk and mix your egg and milk together. If you're using Dijon mustard, some substitute for this is regular mustard or mayonnaise. So if you don't have the Dijon, you can use regular mustard or mayonnaise. This will add a nice kick to it. So that is 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. All right, so that's the big one. All right, so we're gonna spread out a tablespoon. There we go, and we're gonna toss it in there. We have our kick. Let's mix that in. Then I am going to add now some black pepper. Of course, you know I have to be fancy. You need a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for this recipe, but I am going to just put some in. All right. This calls for a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to add my salt. There we go. We got salt in there. Now we need thyme, and the thyme is a 1/2 teaspoon. So I am putting in a 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, dried thyme. I find sometimes having thyme in your house, the regular thyme, it dries up so quickly that the dried thyme is better for me. Then I'm going to put in a teaspoon of oregano. Okay, all right, so everybody ready now to put it all together? Okay, let's go. I am going to pour my broccoli in the quiche pan. Not my broccoli. Put it into the pastry dough. Okay, we've got that there. Remember that Parmesan cheese that I like so much? We are going to add some Parmesan cheese to that. Nice. So I just added my Parmesan cheese. Now I'm going to add some cheese. Sprinkle some cheese in there. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to add the mixture that we have made with all the seasoning, the egg, the milk. We're just gonna add that in. Pour it all over. Pour it all over. Yep. All right. It looks good. It smells good. Has to taste good. Don't you think? I think so. All right, so now I'm just gonna add more cheese at the top. Cheese is what makes it good. There we go. Cheese, 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 and more cheese. Let's get it in the oven. 40 minutes. It should take. Let me warn you, it might take a little bit longer, right? Halfway through, you might want to just check on it.